Oh, hey guys. Didn't see you spying on me there. Well, welcome back to another episode of English Cooking, where I teach you English through cooking. It's always good to keep your vegetables fresh at all times. Guys, today we're going to make one of the most common, the most popular lunch foods here in Canada and the US. It's a sandwich. It's called a BLT sandwich. There's some loud people in the hall. Should I make this lesson whispering or should I talk in normal tones? I'll speak in normal tones. All right, guys. So what we're going to make today is called the BLT sandwich. Okay, a BLT sandwich. Like I said, it might be one of the most common lunch foods. You can eat it anytime. You could eat it for breakfast if you want. You could eat it for supper. But I think 99% of people eat it for lunch. Okay, because usually, if you're going to work, you might just make a sandwich for yourself. You take it to work. It's kind of a light meal. It's not super heavy. When you get home from work, then you might make, lasagna or something a bit heavier, right? But for lunch, people like to keep it light. Okay, so this is called a BLT sandwich. Now, BLT stands for bacon, lettuce, tomato. Okay, this is a very easy recipe, very easy lunch food to make, okay? So we've got bacon, got my lettuce here. This is called a head of lettuce. Now, you don't need the whole head. I think some people are eavesdropping on me. If you spy, spy is with your eyes, right? So if you're spying on someone, you use your eyes. But if you spy with your ears, that's called eavesdropping. Okay, eavesdropping. It's a good advanced English word for you guys to know. Okay, so this is called a head of lettuce. Now we don't need the whole head. We just need a couple of leaves. So let's see. Let's get a good leaf. Which would be a good leaf for us? Ooh. Guys, I see a good leaf in here. This one right here. That'll be a good leaf. Actually, we only need one leaf. I don't know. Do you like lettuce? You could put as many leaves as you want on here, but let's just go with one leaf for today, okay? Now, guys, to keep your vegetables fresh, you should get yourself a spray bottle. Like this. This is called a spray bottle. Now you can see here the end. This thing is called the nozzle. Okay? See this end piece? It's the nozzle. All right? Now you can adjust the nozzle to control the spray. Okay, so the water that comes out of the nozzle is called spray. That's why it's called a spray bottle. Now, you could either have it like a mist, like this. Can you see it? That's called a mist, okay? All right, I just sprayed myself with a mist. Now, if we open it up a little bit, it's not going to be a mist anymore. Then it's going to be a stream. Okay, so look at this. Oh, it's still a mist. There we go. See, that's a stream. Should I shoot you with a stream? Oh, I missed. All right. Oh, I missed. I missed. Missed. That's kind of funny, isn't it? But they're spelled differently. Okay, this kind of mist is spelled M-I-S-T. But if you miss something, then it's M-I-S-S-E-D. Mist and mist. They're pronounced exactly the same. Kind of funny there. So guys, there are two, I mean, those two words are actually very advanced. You know, it's interesting that something so simple like this can actually be very advanced. I mean, there's so many advanced words, okay? There's the nozzle, okay? That's an advanced English word. Spray, mist, stream, okay, a stream of water, as opposed to mist. Okay, would you have known how to describe that? Now you know how to describe this, right? Spray bottle, nozzle, mist, stream. Now, I would recommend keeping your vegetables fresh with a mist. Okay, so let's, put it on mist mode here. Now, guys, when I was a kid, I always thought the top of this tomato piece here, I thought that was a spider. Did you ever think it was a spider when you were a kid? Look at it. Kind of looks like a spider, right? I was always scared of tomatoes because I thought it was like a spider on top of the tomato. So guys, you'll want to take off the sticker, okay? So peel off the sticker on your tomato. Here in Canada and the US, fruit and vegetables come with stickers. Not all vegetables and fruits. Like this lettuce didn't have any sticker on it. Tomatoes, apples, bananas, pears, those kinds of fruits and vegetables, they have stickers. So peel off the sticker and let's get cracking on our recipe. Get cracking means let's start. Let's start the process. Okay. So like I said, it's called a BLT. Those three letters are an acronym for bacon, lettuce, tomato. Okay? When you abbreviate something into just some letters, it's called an acronym. Okay, so an acronym, BLT, is bacon, lettuce, tomato. Let's open up our bacon here, guys, and we're gonna start frying our bacon, because that's probably the most time-consuming part of this recipe. Okay, so open it up and then get yourself a pan. All right, so I got myself a nice big pan here, and we're going to just put in as many strips of bacon as you want. How many would you like? Do you like bacon? Smash that like button if you love BLTs. BLTs are just so good. If you go to any restaurant here in Canada, or, you know, like a very popular restaurant here is called Tim Hortons. If you go to Tim Hortons, you will see BLT on the menu. Okay, it's a sandwich. It has bacon, it has lettuce, and it has tomato. Right, so a few strips of bacon. Let's, I don't know. Let's put 4 or 5 strips of bacon on here, guys. Let's make a really good BLT. If you buy a BLT from a restaurant, it probably only has 2 strips of bacon. But let's put, like, I don't know, I kind of filled up my pan here. That should be good, right? Let's put as much bacon as we can on our sandwich. Just wash my hands here, and we'll turn on the element. And then we'll just pop our bacon on the stove here, and we will just let it fry up there for a few minutes. Okay, guys, so now, I mean, you can add, one thing I love to add is black pepper, freshly ground black pepper. It's just so good with the tomatoes and the lettuce, and you need 2 slices of bread. So we'll pop these in the toaster in just a little bit. But first, oh, and you could put butter. I'm gonna put butter on my BLT. Now, people would also put mayonnaise on the BLT. I don't have mayonnaise, but I don't have any mayonnaise, but you could buy mayonnaise and put it on. All right. So, guys, let's get a knife. And we'll start slicing up our tomato. You only need 2 slices maybe of tomato. Got myself a nice knife here. Let's throw the spider away. Look at that. I don't want the spider part. You can eat the spider part. I don't want the spider part, guys. Okay, let's slice our tomato. Ooh, look at that nice slice there. Nice thick slice of tomato. And should we rinse off our leaf? Do you wash your vegetables before you eat them? I usually do. All right, so let's just rinse off our lettuce, right? Okay, I just rinsed it off. That's what the phrasal verb means, to rinse off. Now I'm just shaking it around to dry it a little bit. Okay, so now our lettuce is rinsed off. That's some good lettuce. Let's cut another slice of tomato. Yeah. Okay, guys. We got 2 slices of tomato. Now let's pop our bread in the toaster. Make some toast. Now you could use just bread. You could, but it tastes a bit better if it's toast for some reason. They're hot. All right, guys, look at that. We got our nice toast, perfectly toasted, slightly brown, but not too much. Now, guys, do you like your bacon soft or crispy? Let me know down in the comments. Which do you prefer? I kind of like it a bit crispy, actually. So we're just gonna turn it off here. It's looking like whoa. It's looking nice and crispy. It's looking perfect, guys. So let's get let's butter our toast while it's hot, right? So it can get nice and kind of melt the butter. All right, I'm so excited about this, guys. I'm hungry. Let me know, have you ever had a BLT before? Do you like BLTs? I mean, so many people love BLTs. It's such a simple, it's kind of just a simple lunch food, right? It's kind of nice. It's just kind of bacony, you know? It's just, everybody loves, I mean, most people love bacon, right? And just the kind of the bacon and the kind of crisp vegetables, it's just kind of nice, right? So we got our buttered toast, and we are gonna put on, what should we put first? Let's put on our tomatoes first, and let's put some pepper on there. Did I turn it off? Yeah, I did turn it off. I forgot. All right, freshly ground black pepper. Man, that smells good. I'm so excited. Now we're gonna grab our leaf of, should we put the lettuce on? Let's put the bacon on in the middle, all right? So, look at that, crispy bacon, guys. Look at that, isn't that look, oh, that looks so good. And there it is in the pan. I got how many? I got about 5 or 6 slices here. Look at that. Oh, that is gonna be so good. Oh, I can't wait. So we're just gonna top it off. The last thing you put on some food, you could say, I'm gonna top it off. Like, right, if you're eating some, let's say some apple pie, you might top it off with some whipped cream or some ice cream, or I don't know, something, right? Top it off. So we're gonna top this off with the lettuce. Should we split the lettuce up into 2 pieces? There we go. Oh, wow, guys. This is gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Oh, you can have the first bite, guys. You can take the first bite. Eat. All right. I'll pretend you took the first bite. I'll take the next bite. Oh, wow. That is so good. That's so good. Guys, look at that. It's so simple, right? It's so simple, yet it's so delicious. Just the combination of the flavors, I love it. Well, guys, there it is. One of the most common and one of the most loved. The reason why it's so common is because people love it. Right? It tastes so good. So, guys, I hope you love this sandwich. I'm loving it. It is amazing. Well, there you have it. Hope you learned some English. I hope you learned something new about our culture here in Canada and the US. Like I said, everybody knows what this is, but if you're coming from another country, maybe you don't know what this is. So I want to help you figure out, hey, what do things mean here? Because you might go to a restaurant and you might open the menu, or you might look on the menu, up there, and you might see BLT. You might have no idea what that means, right? That's why you need help to figure things out. And just like if I came to your country, I would have no idea what anything means. You would need to explain everything to me, right? So I love explaining things to you guys. And hey, if you're here in Canada, just head out to Timmy's. Timmy's is another word for Tim Hortons, right? Just head out to Timmy's or head out to pretty much any restaurant. They'll have a BLT sandwich. So just look on the menu for BLT and let me know, is that one as good as this one? I mean, this is awesome. I wish I could give you a bite in real life. That's how good it is. But guys, thank you so much again. As always, I just want to say I love you so much, and hope you're staying safe, hope you're healthy, and hope you're happy. Hope everything's just hunky-dory for you. Hunky-dory is kind of an old-fashioned way to say everything's going great. So guys, everything's hunky-dory right here. I'm just going to enjoy this sandwich. I just wanted to give you guys a close-up shot of me eating it because it's so good. All right, guys. Well, as always, I'll see you guys over in the next episode of English Cooking. Take care.